get into it, I want to show you NPTEL online certification. So after completion of the course, you will get a certificate. So if you ask what is the value of the NPTEL courses, so guys, let me tell you, it has many advantages in various aspects. Firstly, let's come to on knowledge gaining for particular domain, staying up to date with technologies, improvement and industry demand. NPTEL also provides lots of courses guys in many disciplines. NPTEL is associated with industry, they are designed the course, so it will be helpful to everyone to get relevant knowledge and development of relevant skill of their domain and an industry. So you have to search for swayam.government.in. Okay, cool. Now we are in SWAYAM website. They are showing 500 plus courses open for enrollment, SWAYAM courses, completed courses, and this one Corona crisis courses. Your learning continue with SWAYAM, and it is coordinated with AICTE, IGNOU, IIM Bangalore, NCRT, NPTEL, UGC. So yeah, weekly assignment based in class instructors weekly assignment, proctored exams and easy credit transfer, and yeah, semantic approach and all. So first you have to do is search for introduction to embedded system. Introduction to embedded system. Let me search. Yeah, so it's upcoming enrollment open. Now that enrollment is open guys, and the course will start from 20th July and exam date is 18th October and enrollment end will be on 27th July. So guys, we have to enroll as early as possible. So let me open this one. Yeah, so as you can see, the instructor name, professor name is Dhananjay, and he is from IIT Jammu, and total number of learner enrolled till 7,073. Yeah, and it is a 12-week program. It's already given in week 1 what will be the topic will be covered and all. So what I'm going to do is join. So yeah, if you are new in this one, you can create an account by sign up now, and if you have a Google account, you can click on Google, Facebook, you can join by this method. So I have a Google account, I will join by Google. Yeah, there is my email ID. So my name is Altaf, and this one mobile number 79752575, and which age group do you belong to? Yeah, 30 to 20. Country inside in residing India. Yeah, India. Profession student. Then highest qualification is PUC, means 12th. Year of graduation is 2022. Part of SWAYAM local chapter. Yeah, now I created account. Which state you belong? Let me give in Karnataka. And school या college name you have to give. So MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So roll number give 18 CS 320, and degree BTech, and for department is my department is computer science. Study year, now I'm in the second year. So give on your reference. I agree to some terms and of services. I agree to follow the honor code and save this one. Yeah, it takes some time. Yeah, it's done. So the course will begin on 20th July, and this one is all and this also their message there. Thank you for registering of course. Click the assign announcement tab, sorry, announcement tab for important information. Yeah guys, I want to take criteria to get a certificate. Average assignment score 25. There will be 12 assignment given in the course, in which 8 best assignment will be considered, means average of 8 best, and exam score 75% score to be proctor certification exam score out of 100, and the final score will be average assignment score plus exam scores. So what you have to do after enrollment, on 20th July you can log in and you will get all the course detail. Okay, and if you want how does NPTEL work, you can also see this one. So at any place you find any difficulty guys, you can let me know in the comment section. In next video we will see some more interesting thing. Till such time we meet again. Goodbye, happy learning, thank you.